So we have at the top beans and yeah, dito sa Kennedy and Lawrence. Search nyo lang yan sa Google, address wise you will know how. Pero yung mga days nila, I forgot to say. So from the top, every Friday lahat ng items is $20, not unless ano to, price. Saturday $15, Sunday $11, all items is $11. But today is Monday, so we are at the $8 per items tonight. So we're going in. So check out the Wednesdays. It's $3 per item. You can get in $3 you can get a USB, a good USB, better than Dollarama. Yeah, nice one.
Thursday is good.
For $3, you know.
Yeah.
Dollarama sells for what? $4 for the thing, and
Its quality is no good.
3 days later it's broken.
Yeah. Thursday is a good day. You gotta come early.
Thursday? Yeah. Oh yes, it's $1.15. Yeah, you can get a many C-type, you know, C-type charger.
Yeah.
If you wanna package them later, you sell them $5 per.
You can.
You can make money too.
Yeah.
So we can bring
And
it.
you gotta come early.
Yeah.
See what time they open. Open on Thursday, on 11. Right, you 11 to 7.
Yeah. Well, I always come this time.
Yeah. No, but
Ah.
because it's cheap on Thursday, a lot of people come early for grab.
Ah.
Yeah. But I can't come early.
There must be like a rompon of people in there. Huh?
Yeah. A lot of people just come and grab and then go in the car and start.
You get yeah. For $1 or something.
Can't go wrong.
And it can go wrong, you know.
So
Have
finish.
and then you have yourself a store, you know.
Thursday they close 2 o'clock.
I know Thursday they close 2
Thursday
o'clock.
2.
Yeah.
And the rest.
Oh, at the Wednesday
Thursday they close early.
Oh.
Friday and Sunday they close 6.
Ah.
And the rest is 7:30. I didn't know. I finished work 4.
Well, you just narrated the place.
Yeah.
So anyway, it's nice to see you there. So you've been in there already?
Yeah, I went in.
Anything you like
I didn't see anything I want.
over here?
I checked there and I went inside. Bin. You get a
I
big
see.
bin inside. You check in the bin.
I just got a drill yesterday.
Oh, it's work?
The other day, yeah, I worked and mechanic tools.
Oh.
You know those block tools, like nice one, you know, and on the case.
Oh. You
And
the
then
top range.
yeah, and about 2 of them, and I got a friend mechanic
How much you paid for it?
that needs them. I paid for it for 25 because it's marked 25.
Yeah.
So I paid 25 each, so I paid 50. And then I traded it for my oil change.
You see?
My friend. So how much you oil change now? If you go for an oil change, even if you want to do it yourself, it costs you at least that much.
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So I traded it, and he was happy because, wow, you know,
when it's working, you know. It's good stuff.
it's not, it's you know, very nice tool. It's solid.
Yeah, it's heavy. It's good quality.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I come in. Maybe I come. I can't come Thursday. It was Thursday. Maybe Tuesday they close 7. Tuesday is what price? Tuesday $6.
Yeah, I can see you. I can see you through the glasses too. You know.
Yeah.
I see you there. Look.
Yeah.
See, look.
Oh yeah. You got the reflection. Yeah.
So I'm vlogging it.
Yeah. So
This place today.
Wednesday I might come. Wednesday is $3.
I've been in $30. I've never been on Thursday.
Yeah. Thursday is closed early. You gotta come early in the morning. 1:50, so they close 2 o'clock. Right. So I might come Wednesday. Wednesday they close 7:30. I finish 4, so I can pop in and check from work. Okay, you have a good day.
Hey, you too, sir.
Okay?
You have a nice day. Don't open the box.
How are you?
All right.
Good?
Yeah.
You
I
bought
said
this
don't
from here,
open
huh?
the box.
You bought this from here, huh?
Yeah, I brought from it, but the guy told me, okay, bring it, vlog the place, you know? So I said, okay, I'll vlog it, you know? Today is, what day today? Everything is
$8.
$8.
Please don't open any box.
So we're gonna scan the thing for $8. Maybe we might need it or trade it or send it to someone. Yeah, to send it to someone.
You have a good,
Yeah.
you have a good stuff. Everything for $8, and we start Friday. New stuff.
Yeah.
And
I'm gonna check it.
We start Friday. New stuff. Restock every Friday. Okay. Welcome. And everything $8 for each. Bigger stuff, smaller stuff. Doesn't matter.
Address.
Address Lawrence and Kennedy.
Lawrence
Top
Kennedy.
Bins. Just write in Google Top Bins. We have 3 locations: Markham-Eglinton and Vaughan and Lawrence Kennedy.
You have one also?
Yeah.
Wow. So okay, you say today is $8 per item per boxes. So we're gonna see the item. Air intake hose. Is that something that you need? Okay. Pag maggalaw ka, Athena set for 8 bucks. Boom! Are you okay? Vacuum storage bags. Jumbo 7-pack. Augustus. Dami oh. This place play mat. Huh? Over there is nice.
The price.
Yeah. I went at the back also.
For the price.
Yeah. I went that over to. Already outside with the man.
Oh yeah.
We were talking the man outside. We were talking about the thing. Yeah. So I'll just enhance on that. I'll take that though, for sure.
Don't open any box, please.
Oh, you need something for your umbrella. I think. Dami oh. I think that sa upuan is it for the baseball guard. Table toilet. Or bathroom. Yo, that light up, eh? Huh? Yeah. That's light up, eh? The green and the red. You hear it? It lights up, eh? And frog somebody in the dark. Don't open the box. Yeah, that's the rule. Don't open the box, you know. See, look, let's rock everybody. We'll use it. Don't open the box. So don't open the box.
Can you open the box?
You go ask him. Can you open the box? Yeah, you go ask him.
Ano yung binili
You
mo?
ask that guy. He's a very nice guy.
Ito ba yung nabili mo dito?
Ha?
Nabili mo dito? Hindi. Ito.
Nakita ko.
Ano, dito?
Oo.
Yung ba yung tripod? Yan ba yan?
Oh.
Hindi kasi may nakita ako pero yung pabukas. Ganyan ba? Ano yun?
Hindi. Baka kamali lang sila ng...
Maganda no, nagro-rotate no. Hindi ba yung box na blue yan?
Ah?
Na blue? Hindi, may nakita ako dito. Baka ayaw kong tignan ko ako. Ayun yun. Hindi ba
Pabuksan mo.
Hindi ba ganito yan?
Ha? Pabuksan mo. Pumunta ka sa kanila mismo, buksan mo, tignan mo kung gusto mo. Talagang $8. Mura kung tutusin. Parang mas mahal pa yung kuwan, yung Samsung Ford mo kaysa dyan.
Hindi ba ganito? Hindi ba ganyan? Ha?
You open for you?
Yeah.
See? But don't open it yourself. Yeah. You go or then they'll open it for you so that because
Ganito ba yan yung nabuksan mo? Ganito ba? Tripod? Hindi ba yan? Ganyan?
Tripod lang to.
Tripod.
Pwede mong ilagay yung
Oo.
yung camera mo dyan.
Pero yan, hindi ganyan.
Ito, gimbal to. Gimbal.
Ano pangalan? Game po?
Gimbal.
Maganda, no? So, iba ito, no?
Di ko
$8
alam.
lang yan.
Ha?
$8 lang yan.
Di, biro lang, biro lang. Yeah.
Shower curtain rod.
Shower curtain rod, oh.
Ito, ano lang ito,
Kumpleto
no?
na siya.
Tripod lang ito, no? Pero okay na rin. Pero hindi na kayo nagpapicture-picture din na. Bakit magsira ka pala?
Where's it? You know, like, you find something, okay, you don't need it, but the thing is, okay, but it's a nice gift. So somebody that, Christmas coming already, yeah, and then, yeah, to a friend, like that, in a tamang presyo, very nice, good price.
Please don't open the boxes.
Yan ito yung mga bata. Yan.
Something, you know, Christmas is coming, you know, makikita kang toys. Oh, you know, so you think somebody that you know, giving
and receiving.
yeah, almost nothing.
Where's the police?
Kasi yung mga product dito, mas mahal pang i-process nila para ibalik sa kwan.
Kasi
Kung ipagbibili na ng ganun,
overstock lang naman kasi.
oo.
Kasi maganda rito.
It will cost more kasi
Hindi ginamit.
kung saan yan papadala, kung iba-iba sa iba-iba ng mundo.
Tsaka hindi,
ganun.
ang maganda hindi naman nila ginamit. Kumbaga na overstock lang talaga.
Hindi talagang kwan, binalik ng
Nakita mo
customer.
talaga yan dyan?
Hindi.
Swerte mo naman ah. Hindi ko naman alam anong pangalan niya.
Di ba walang laman minsan?
Alis na ako, nasasaylo yung oras.
So that's the whole alley. But then, you know, I didn't waste my time going down. And yeah, that's one alley only. And then we haven't gone to the mga clothing, you know. And you might find something over here that you might need, or sport clothing, nighty, yung magaganda talagang, or ano yan? Parang pambabae ito. Oh. Tapos meron siyang tupi sa gilid. Ow! Sa likod yung tupi. Green, Christmas color. A bag. But look at the quality. Quality. So those are the clothing, you know, like, and mostly for ladies. Something like fatigue pop. You might be lucky to have a name. Ang ganda, oh. Then $8. Your junior have a hoodie. Yeah. Okay. So, okay. My friend said, look at the picture. Ayan. Ayan. Thursday, marami daw tao dito. Kasi $5 per items. Thursday. Then, before that was Wednesday. Yeah. $3. So we're doing it backward. And Tuesday is $6 per item. And today is Monday. Midweek sale. $8. Sunday naman. $11. Then come Saturday, 15. More nice items, 15. Yeah, 15. And Friday, just 20. Oh, good mga gandang item mga yan. You can get a hose, a complete hose. You know, the one that you don't have to coil it anymore. It retracts itself. For as much as 20 bucks or 15. Something, you know, like tools. Okay. Daming tao. If you stay in one place and just rummage, especially You're thinking of your bedroom or your kitchen. Ano kaya to? 25. Lunchbox. Kids. O kaya ikaw, your sandwich bag. You're a sandwich launcher. Ano? It will pack a bag, a nice pack of rice, and then one nice sausage dish will be. Oh, and you have your your extra packet here for drinks or chocolate, whatever you might be needing in that dish. Where do you Sa akin pala. If you're a handyman too. You need something to replace one of your hoses of your laundry. Measuring wheel. charger up. Let's call it. Okay, we focus the torch up now. Let's check this out. This one.
These are inhalers, these are the filters, and the bottom.
Color.
How are you doing? Okay.
You want to take them, sir?
No, thank you. Those are reading glasses, right?
Yes.
Just
Yeah.
my fetish is sunglasses.
No. And the number is 350.
Oh, for reading, yeah. I get dizzy using them.
Sorry?
I get dizzy using them. my eyes goes, I don't know. It get dizzy.
Oh. Yeah, if you don't need it, don't wear it, don't take it.
I know them. I used them before when I was doing computer, but now I have
The reading one or the blue light?
Huh?
The reading one or the blue light? The blue light glass or the reading one? Because there is a blue light for computer and tablets.
Yeah, no, I don't. I mean, yes, I just enlarge the
words, the letters,
the
keyboard?
the font.
Okay.
Just let the font. Use the bold one, and
Yeah,
then you
yeah,
can read it, everything, right? So that way I don't have to use that.
Yeah.
What is that?
Which one?
This one, that long one.
Yes.
That no, this long one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Selfie stick.
Huh?
Selfie stick.
Transistor?
Selfie stick.
Oh, self-stick. Yeah, but aha.
And here the phone.
Oh, that's that attachment.
Recording system.
Very nice. Very nice. Looks good though. Good. 8 months?
Yeah. I think if you have to connect it to the phone or
Eight.
something like that.
That's $8.
With that
Okay, $10, okay?
That would be nice. So let me play with it. Thank you.
Not this one. This the top one. Yeah.
Pass. Yeah, it's not safe really because there's a vehicle. Sturdy. It's made of plastic.
Oh, we went there already. We were on our way out when we come here.
I just want to see this one. Can I see this and the one?
You don't want it?
Beside the blue. Beside yeah, that one. Thank you.
But do what you want. How's your faucet?
It's okay, but if I know cold.
And okay, you get the faucet. Honestly, I think
That they connect? Yeah, but you're separate. Okay, separate. Good. Put them apart.
كل واحدة شقة.
No, separate. Why this one and this one? Oh, yeah.
Not together,
Not
separate.
together, they are separate.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is for her. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are these two sets. They are together. Okay, all of them? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. The quarter is for someone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items.
No, you find the box over there.
How much is this?
That's it.
Oh, this is yours. Oh.
Ask him, he might sell it.
Yeah, we're here still looking at 8 bucks. Something I could double maybe. Or butter. Like today, butter.
Hermi, Noor. Noor. Hermi.
So we're gonna go this way? Yeah, we go this way. We'll go to the shoes. Stop following me.
YouTuber?
Huh?
YouTuber?
Yeah. Yeah. See if we can get viewers.
Oh, hindi ka pa tapos dyan.
Nakita ko ng para kasi natutulog ako.
Oh.
Nahuhulog yung phone ko sa
Lagay mo
tiles.
para hindi mahulog.
Okay, kaya lalagay susurroundin
Parang
ko yung
ano yan, mat.
susurroundin ko yung bed ko ng na ganito para hindi
Parang mat ka.
para hindi mabasag yung
Pang ano
phone
yan,
ko.
pang yoga.
Oo, yun nga yung ginagamit ko pang yoga yung nasa bahay ngayon eh. Pero ngayon tinanggal ko na.
Yeah.
Orange na reddish yung mat na yun. Natanggalin ko na. Overuse na rin siya siguro. Wala, marami ka nakita. Ano?
Hindi, ito,
Damit
ano,
mo. O,
Ito, pag umuulan,
Oo, yun, maganda yan. Kasi titingin ka lang sa sa weather lagi.
$8 naman, not bad for
Tapos,
everyday.
ito, natutupi mo to sa maliit na kwanta, ilalagay mo sa bag mo.
Ito naman, hindi ba mahal ng $8 ito?
Tingnan mo yung bulsa doon nagkakatalo eh.
Susuot naman, hindi na bayad.
Hindi kasi katulad nito, muntik nang mawala yung wallet ko kasi yung bulsa niya ang babaw. Hindi, mababaw.
Ano paglagyan ng susi?
Porque nilagyan nila ng zipper, okay na yung mababaw kasi isisipper mo pa. Pero nakalimutan ko yung zipper kanina, nahulog sa sasakyan.
Hulog-hulog.
Patay tayo dyan. Magkakaroon tayo ng heart attack. Kasi nandyan lahat yung information mo.
Pag nawala yung kaya binibit ko ganito, dapat magbibit ka ng ganitong bago. Nabili ko lang sa...
Hindi, nga tama nga, pero nagkamali lang ako ng suot kasi akala ko hindi ako dadaan dito.
Nabili ko lang ito 250 sa ano, yung
Saan ka sa atin?
Sa Pampanga.
No ka rin, akala mo marunong ako eh.
Sa Apalot.
Ah, apalit. Oo! Sumasakay pa ba rin ng ferry yung pagpupunta na apalit?
Ang tagal ko naman. Yung ano, yung
Mm,
St. Peter.
ah?
Yung parang St. Peter na...
Sasakay ka ng boat, tapos pupunta ka ng apalit.
Mayroon. Hindi, tagal ko naman din mauwi.
Oo.
Kaya pag umuwi ako, tamang-tama ito, pang rainy season. Bukas na tayo pumunta dito, may ginuha.
Nakakatakot lang naman umuwi sa Pilipinas kasi daanan tayo ng bagyo. Lahat na makikita mo ron, kung marami ang kaibigan, bawain ka, patay ka. Kasi sa maraming nasa lanta ngayon. Tapos papasko pa. Kailan ka uuwi?
Hindi, yung kapatid ko ang umuwi.
Yun, papadala ka din.
Binabalak ko pa lang, under table.
Ganun hindi binabalak ko pa, konti-konti. Oh, kailangan nila to. Hindi, so, ay mura. Yung siguro $1 ang mura, no? Sa Thursday.
Sa Thursday, pero ano na, cleaning time na yun, wala ka nang makuha.
Ha? Ayun sa umaga ka pupunta, magbukas-bukas pa lang.
Hindi, bukas ito. Ano bukas? $3. Ano ba bukas?
Tuesday pa lang ang bukas, ha?
Ay,
6. Pababa na hanggang...
Sa mga damit, okay lang yung pumunta ka naman ng mga damit. May magkikita ka pa naman na...
Sa mga damit. Naku, nagbabawas na ako ng damit. Ayoko na magbibili ng damit.
Ano, kaya nga parang nag-iisip nga din ako ng...
Kasi marami na akong damit. Yung bibili lang ako ng damit na katulad ng yan, raincoat. Aba, kailangan to magandang regalo. Pwede ko isama sa package.
Pag umuwi ka sa atin, dapat huwag kang umuwi doon sa hometown mo.
Pati tayo dyan. Balak ko nga mag-local resort. Ha?
Tagasan ka sa atin.
Ako? Pangasinan.
Pero retired ka na.
Oo. Balak ko nga mag-resort pero local. Katabi lang ng resort yung titirahin ko.
Maraming resort doon.
Yung marami nga. Pero
So hindi ka na rin nagtatrabaho.
hindi ko na alam kung ano yung mga resort noon doon. Kasi
Sa Pangasinan marami. Stainless. Potato. Pagbamas doon ng potato. Pag na lang, di naman nakbayo sa potato. Dapat dito, ano ka rin, hindi naman importante. Ay, ang cute nito.
ano yan?
Japanese. Bibili ko sana dito.
Dalawa.
Dito sa pamangkin yung ano ko, Japanese yan.
Ganun, sa harap, sa dashboard. Tapos mag-makeup pa ng parang Haponesa na ganun yung gisha ko. Hey, Haponesa oh!
Hindi, maganda.
Maraming magkagusto kasi
Hindi yung pamangkin.
maraming magkagusto sa'yo kasi Haponesa. Haponesa
Hindi yung asawa ng ano ko. Asawa ng auntie ko. Pinesa.
Talaga?
Hindi, taga-Japan.
Tsaka
Matagal na siya doon.
they're very caring, di ba, yung mga Haponesa? Kaya marami magkagusto sa'yo. Yun, bigay mo sa harap. May kotse ka?
Oo, pero maganda pa sa kotse naman yan.
Oo naman.
Maganda sa kotse.
Lagyan mo lang ng glue yan. No? Yung two-way tape, yung two-way tape sa dollar store. Dikit mo lang, wala nang...
Maganda sana sa kondisyon sa bahay.
Pero alam, kasi maganda ron, pag nasinagan ng araw sa mga kotse, gano'n. Maganda. Kasi gumigilap siya, di ba?
Hindi, ilalagay ko doon sa mesa ko, kaso bukas na lang, $3 na.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, mabibili mo, baka mabili mo $4 yan. To $8, tatanggalin ko na yung...
Magdidikit-dikit mo ngayon yan.
Oo,
Gagawin mo
Hello, everybody. How are you?
You're okay?
No, it's me. No, fish to you. Fish to you, so just see.
Okay, hello, everybody.
I'm just wondering. Hindi ba necklace ito?
Hmm?
Necklace ito eh. Maganda necklace ito.
Kuwan,
If you take it out here, dapat dadagdag ka. Saan ito? Mukhang okay naman sa kahit dahil. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Ibigay ko na sa iba. Parang necklace eh. That is not necklace. Kaya papasok ko para may makakabili.
kunin mo.
Ha?
Kunin mo.
Eh, anin ko.
Ito sa likod ng kanto. Sa likod ng trailer. Sa likod ng trailer.
Pasok ko muna para may bibili. Tapos may kapartner pa. Masakit na yung legs ko nang kakatayo rito.
Ganun sana to.
O, tignan mo, mayroon pang ano. Di ba necklace? Uy! Di ba necklace siya? Sabi ko na nga, necklace siya eh.
Yeah, ganyan din.
Necklace siya. Uy, tignan mo. Uy, tignan mo, necklace siya. Uy! Di ba necklace siya? May kasama ito.
Pwede.
Hindi, necklace talaga ito.
Nangyari, ito yung diamond.
Necklace, hindi, dalawang klase. Isa ito, tsaka isa ito.
Isang outfit, yung isa pambaba. Yan, siguro pang
Ito yung
dito.
pang-necklace,
Dito.
no?
Oo.
Maganda ba?
Okay naman.
Maganda naman. Hindi kaya ako mangangatila. Hindi, kakasal yung anak ko. Pwede kang pag-dekorasyon eh. Pangit ba? Hoy! Pangit?
Ang alin?
Papasok ko na para may bibili. Para may araw na bibili.
It's a nice lamp. That's a nice one. Oh, look, we'll want one of those. What is that?
Alam na ako, wala na ako nabili. Tatlo, $25. Ay, masakit na yung ulo ko.
Maria?
I'm just recording.
25 daw eh. Graduation ko pa naman.
Sayang, ano?
Hindi na bali. Yung lola mo.
Mura pa rin na 25.
Ay, hindi lang ako sa $8. Ganun ba yun? May pangalan na 25?
Oh. No, it's already, I don't know, dead. Yeah. It's already dead. Battery dead already. Almost. The phone. No, in the other way.